Getting back into it, Robs. It's been such a long time.
I'm a little rusty.
A little rusty.
Yeah.
A little old. Nobody's heard of you. Stuff of legends.
One hit wonder.
The one hit wonder. Remember that camera video? Everyone said you didn't deserve it.
That self-portrait. Hi guys, I'm back. Hello everyone and welcome to a very special vlog. Today we are actually picking up a new family member. You guys might have remembered when we went to pick up little Mia, our Corgi puppy. Well, today we're picking up, well, should we say the name now, Ryan, or should we say it? Okay, the name's hidden for now, but I'll insert a picture where you can guess what the name might be. I just posted it to my Instagram last night so that everyone else can guess what's happening. But anyway, yes, we are going to go and pick up a new little boy, a little Corgi brother for Mia, and we are so excited. So we're almost there right now. We've got 24 minutes left in the car and then we get to play with puppies. Oh my god! I'll give you a little bit of backstory on the puppies. So this boy is a litter of 9 and he's very special because the breeders have actually gotten American boy sperm and they've, you know, gotten their girl pregnant with it artificially, and she is a red and white Corgi and he is a sable. So we're really hoping to pick a sable boy today, and there were 5 boys and 4 girls, and they're keeping 2 boys and 2 girls because this is obviously a special litter. Can't wait to meet the little potatoes because they're so cute.
They have little stumps.
Little stumps, they have little stumps. Okay, we'll see you there. Okay, so we just picked up a little puppy. Oh, good boy. Hi. He doesn't know where he is, so he's a little bit excited and he's running all over the place. But oh, you're so cute, baby. Work it for the camera. You already know to look at the camera, don't you? Yes. Yes. Okay, Ryan, should we reveal his name?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to say it?
Yeah. So we had to talk about this.
Yeah.
The name was suggested by me and picked by both of us. It's a name very dear to my heart. He's the Dark Lord, the King himself of power, Ganon.
Ganon! That's your name, baby! Did a little head tilt. What a good boy. And his ears are still down at the moment, so we have to massage them. Like this, I think.
I think when we got Mia, her ears up.
Yeah, Mia's ears were already up.
Yeah, right.
Yes, so you have little floppy ears. Can you not wait to meet Mia? Brother and sister forever! Yes! Brother and sister forever! You're so cute, baby. Aww.
Mads and I had actually thought that we were going to pick between the 3 of them, but apparently we were actually the last in line.
Yes.
We didn't realise, which is fair. Like, I mean, we called up pretty late.
Yeah.
And apparently there was this other couple that had been waiting like, it was like a year and a half, 2 years.
Yeah.
To get their corgi.
Yeah.
So they got first pick and picked the other 2. So we kind of got given little Ganon here.
Yeah, we got given the best one.
Wait, he's bloody cute.
He's cute.
He's bloody cute.
He's bloody cute. Oh, what a good boy. Is that nice? Oh, yes.
No.
Mia does that too. Oh, this is what Mia does. You and Mia are gonna be the best of friends. Excuse the interruption of the cute puppy footage, but I'm just popping in to let you guys know that I've officially launched an online pin store featuring the corgis. At the time of you guys watching this, the store is launched, so please head on over there. I think it's like Black Friday at the moment, so we will have either some freebies or some small discounts. So head on over there and have a little peruse. If you guys have been following us on Instagram for a while, you'll know that Mia is adorable in her flower crown. So this is why I made Mia wearing a flower crown. And then to introduce Ganon into the gang, I made 2 chibi-sized pins of Mia and Ganon. So this is Mia in rose gold and this is Ganon in gold. I hope you guys like them. We also have some stickers. I'm sorry this is like such an advert right now, but sponsored by me. Isn't that cool? That's a Mia sticker or just a corgi with a tail sticker. You guys don't have to get these and associate them with my corgis, but they were inspired by my corgis. So, and also every order will get a free Mia and Ganon sticker. And just to let you know that your pins will be packaged in this cute little blue paper bag with a thank you sticker to say thank you. So yes, I'm very excited to launch these. I hope you guys like them. I will link them down below. Now back with the video. Ryan wanted to keep this puppy a secret from his parents because we only found out 2 weeks ago, and then we thought it would be like fun to FaceTime them and let them know that we got a little Ganon.
But the awkward thing is,
we got a little puppy.
My sister and her fiance are also getting a new puppy.
I know, we're so similar because both of us are engaged and both of us are getting married, and now both of us are getting puppies. Little puppies. But they're getting a Kelpie.
Yeah.
Kelpie. And we're getting little Ganon. We already got him. We already got him. Oh, so cute. Oh, so cute. We're best friends already. You're gonna bring all the laughs.
I want many laughs.
Yes. All the laughs. Oh, look at this baby. Oh, this baby is so cute. Oh my goodness. Smell Mia? Yeah? You have the prettiest eyes. Oh! Do you think he'll have this color eyes?
Maybe.
They're like green.
But they'll probably end up changing.
So I've started giving Ganon a little puppy massage. I think he likes it because he's gone to sleep. Our breeder said that you can rub their little ears like this and massage them, and then they can like learn to stand up on their own. You can also tape their ears, but I think we'll try and like massage them and see if they'll stand up on their own.
Hey guys, so just still heading back, still in the car, about half an hour away. Matt's just taking over driving for me.
Yep.
It's really good. This little guy, Ganon. Oh, he's knocked out. He's been sleeping for like, well, since Matt started driving, Ganon has just been literally knocked out cold. He hasn't woken up. He's a cute little bugger. We love him. We tried calling my family to FaceTime before and no one picked up because everybody thought that I pocket dialed them. Except my brother, who then asked, did you pocket dial us? So he saw. Dan, good on you. You at least got to see the little puppy. Oh, so cute. I wonder what he's dreaming about. So we'll head home. We're gonna have some lunch because it's like almost 3 o'clock before we get home and we still haven't eaten any food. So once we have some food, we'll probably do some more shots and show you guys what's going on with Ganon, how he's enjoying the new home. So yeah.
Hopefully we're gonna let little Ganon go outside and pee and then we'll introduce Mia and him together.
This is your pen.
It's Mia, wait. It's Mia.
Hi Mia, hello. What's going on? Yeah, Mia, come on. Come on. Mia, in. Good girl. You wait. That was close.
So close, Mom.
So close.
Mom. Oh no. Oh my god, it's so adorable. Oh, look at you. This is Ganon. Hi, little Ganon. Hi, darling. How are you? Oh, he's a good boy. Cut the lawn for him.
Aw, thank you.
I thought I saw him running around on the lawn. I thought he'll know. I have to make sure he doesn't jump off this side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's
He's got black in his tail.
Yeah.
He's sable coloured, so
God.
he's gonna have like darker bits to him.
Oh wow, so beautiful. Has he met me again?
No.
No, we just put her in our room.
We'll get her to meet him outside here.
Oh my god. He's just adorable, isn't he?
Yeah, he's so cute. He's
Oh. And he's got a white tip on the end of his tail.
Yeah.
That's so cute. And he's got a little V up the back of his head and a little line between the eyes.
Yeah.
It's really nice marking. Oh, big paws.
yeah, he's really big feet.
Yeah,
Got a
big guy.
Big boy paws.
Yeah, he's almost the size of me already.
In the photo that we picked, he was codename Spear.
Spear.
Because he had
Yeah.
a little spear marking.
Oh, he's coped already, hasn't he?
He cried for the first 15 minutes.
And then of a
he
2-hour
conked
drive,
out.
15 minutes he cried and then that was it.
That was it, yeah.
So he's been really good.
Oh, what an angel he is. He's gorgeous, isn't he? So we say Ganon?
Ganon.
Yeah.
It's like Ganon.
He picked it up.
Ganon. No,
Getting
it's just
excited.
beautiful. It's very different to me, which is a good thing.
Yeah.
Don't want two the same.
No. Oh, so cute.
The way they run is so beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. Call him over. Oh. He likes you.
You tell me they're all going to trade them in.
It's just our natural scent.
Pack leader, I think. Pack leader.
Ganon.
Oh, Sid, little Ganon.
Don't let him jump off the side.
Ganon boy, hey? Oh, nice. Oh, you nice. Gentle, gentle. Gently. Hello. Hi, beautiful.
Oh, don't eat that.
Don't eat anything. Don't eat anything.
He was trying to eat cardboard on the way.
Oh, cardboard's
Do you
probably
want to hold
alright.
him?
Hi. Oh, you're so
Oh, oh. Oh.
Doesn't that believe?
We have to do this so you can meet Mia. Hi, Mia. Who's this?
gentle, gentle.
Oh, Mia, this is your brother. Good girl. Come,
Sit.
good girl. Good girl, Mia.
You're a good girl.
Good girl, Mia.
Treaty?
Be
Do you want
nice.
treaty? I'll get you treaty. How about that?
Oh. Oh, he licked her face. Oh. Yes, he licked her right on the face. So cute.
Down, down. Sit, sit, sit. Gentle.
Good girl.
Steady.
Good boy.
That's it. Good girl. Good girl. Up, down, down,
Yeah, off.
down.
Good
Who's
girl.
that? Who's that? Is that Ganon?
Ganon. Oh, say hi to Ganon.
Sit, gently.
Mia's so food obsessed. She cares more about food than having another dog in the house.
Mia, this is your best friend. Good girl, Mia. Good girl.
Good girl.
Oh, hi.
Down, down.
What are you doing?
Four up.
Help,
Your little face. Oh, that's how you'd look like if you had your ears up.
It would have been better if we took Mia for a walk rather
Yeah,
than
that's what they
straight
recommend you
away.
She
do.
really needed to go.
And she's way too excited. I don't have time to.
Yeah,
I've got to go.
because you have to go to work.
Do you?
Yeah, it's at 4.
Oh, God. Max is watching it all and he's locked behind.
Oh. We've got little Ganon and he's sleeping right now. Mia's been a good girl, haven't you? Mia, you were very excited before, weren't you? But she's calmed down now and they've sniffed through the puppy pen. Look at his little fat belly. I just fed him his lunch. Good girl, Mia. They're both wagging their tails. So cute. We're having our first belly rubs right now. Oh, is that it? Don't go in your pee. You made a little pee there. Don't go in your pee. What are you doing? Having fun? Hi, Ganon. Ganon. Where's your paw? Give me a paw. Good boy. No, Mia. Good girl. Oh, look at these babies. Oh. No, no, Mia, no growls. Good girl, Mia, good girl. Good girl, that's it. Good boy, good girl. Oh, this is good playing. This is good playing. He's falling asleep in my arms.
What else if we keep it awake?
Can't keep him awake. He's dead asleep. Oh my god.